This is my practice today. The first is the linking sounds. English. Speak it. Write it. Read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close it. Then you look it. And put the key back in the pocket. Busy, work day, run away, books and me, Canterbury, fill a cup, drink it up, wait a while, walk a mile, meditate, don't be late, and then live the dream. Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It's used in over 100 countries and on more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1 out of 5 people in the world can understand English. But most importantly, English enables you to get a better job. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out.